It is finally here. I finally have a proper space to work out of. My wife and I have been saving for a long time to buy a home. With COVID and everything, it's been crazy. Finally landed on a home and I was able to set up everything properly. If you're new to my channel, I sell used clothing full-time on eBay, and I'll show you guys what my setup looks like now and kind of show you what it was before versus what it is now. And I just finally have the space to really grow and build this business into really what it should have been from the beginning. Taken longer than I thought, but I'm excited to finally really have the proper workspace and just have enough space for all the inventory and all the systems and everything. So yeah, let's get to it. It's been a crazy few weeks. We've been painting, sealing the grout, the tile, and just doing a lot of stuff around the house, getting it ready. We're finally here. All right. Probably get copyright strike for the music, but that's all right. Yeah, when I got a new place, my wife and I are doing some painting right now. Painting the walls, sealing the grout, and yeah, pretty excited. We put so much time into getting the home ready that my store has tanked, so I really need to work hard to get it going again. And yeah, I'm just excited. I'll have hopefully more time now to make YouTube videos and really set everything up and get more content going. I'm super happy. We actually got a home with a 3-car garage, which is just amazing. I mean, we couldn't find any homes with 3-car garages that we could afford, and finally we found a new build that had a 3-car garage. So that's gonna be huge for the business. I'm really excited about that. It's got lots of space. I won't even need all of this space for my business. I was expecting to use up about 2-car garage, so I'm actually probably only going to need this one space for the clothing business, and then I will probably use another space for maybe start selling other things as well. I'm going to have much more space for inventory. I do have a lot more space to ship out of this area here. I have multiple tables. I can add on more tables if I need, set up different photo stations for different types of items if I decide to start selling other things. One of the reasons why I sold, there's lots of reasons why I only sell clothes, but one of the main reasons I just didn't have enough space to really do anything else, but now I do. So there's other reasons too, so I don't know. I mean, shipping big items and things like that, storing boxes, huge boxes for those items. I don't know if I want to do all that. So we'll see in the future, but I do have at least the space for it if I decide to go that route. In the photography room, I have much more space to prep the items for photography, and it was just a problem before. So yeah, I have much more room. It's really exciting. I'm gonna have much more room to make content as well. So that's very exciting. I really wanna pump out more content and show you guys really what's going on here. So show you guys the growth of the business and all that. I've been wanting to do that for a while and I just haven't had the time or the space, but now I do. I gotta figure out how to get more content out to you guys. When I started this business, I always had in my head that I was gonna have this business in a garage, and so I kind of built it for that, and then we just never got a garage. I mean, COVID came around, we were looking for homes, putting in offers, couldn't buy one. It was very difficult, but now it's finally kind of looking like the business I wanted it to be. It took a long time, it took a couple of years, about 3 years full-time plus part-time before that while I was working as a teacher. But yeah, so I'm just super excited. It's just one of those things where when you start your business, you have ideas, you have a vision, and I feel like it's, finally coming true. It's finally here. Now, granted, my store's been dipping getting this home ready, so now's the time to grind. Now's the time, everything's finally set up. Past couple of days, I've been really getting back into the routine of everything, both with this business, but also making content. Ooh, someone's at the door. All right. That was the dresser just came. That's what I've been saying. Everything's been so crazy. We had to get a washer and dryer and just, paint the house. It was just crazy. There's so many things, getting a new home ready to be lived in. I mean, our backyard's not finished. Our backyard, my lunch break room type deal. But yeah, so where was it? I don't know, I was talking about like a vision or something. Yeah, having a vision, finally coming to fruition. Just, really excited about that. Just really time to put my head down and grind now and really grow this thing to where it needs to be. I'm getting close, and yeah, I'm just excited. and make more content, grow the business, and have a good time. So thank you to everybody who's followed me up until this point, followed the journey. You know, I know there's a few of you from like the very beginning. That's super cool. Yeah, I just wanted to make content to kind of show, yeah, this vision kind of come to light. You know, I know some people, as they follow me, it's going to look like, oh, you know, like some overnight success. But it's like, no, things taking years, man. Like, it's not easy. And it's still not where I want it to be. You know, like, I still got to grow. Now I finally have the infrastructure and space and everything. But now it's time to really put in the work. I would really like to hire my first employee this year. I think that would buy my some time back to make content. I think that'd be awesome. So yeah, got to work on those things. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. If you want to follow the journey, please like and subscribe. And yeah, have a good day.